Hello guys, thanks for clicking this video. The AD584JH coming with 4 voltage reference, 2.5, 5, 7.5 and 10 volts. Now the voltage is in 10 volts. Check the meters. This one is really accurate meter coming from Voltcraft company, and this one also. This is EU version and this one is Chinese version. M320 is 9.99. This one 10 volts. Let's change the voltage step to the 7.5. This one, great. Great. Check the meters. 7.5, 749. I should say MB320 is one of the best meters. It will measure milliamps, capacity, frequency, diodes, and buzz, ohm, and voltage AC and DC. This is one of the best meters that I have. The EU version of DT830 is also working. GDM461 also very accurate, 22,000 counts through RMS, and the Voltcraft also nice. Very good. Let's try the 5 volt. Most important part of the voltage reference is 5 volts. Very good. The jumper is in 5 volts. Let's check all meters going to 5 volts. I should say the 5 volts is the best place for the check multimeters. Usually the companies will adjust the multimeters and calibrate with the 5 volts because of they know that most of voltage are 5 volt. As you can see, this is 4.99, very nice meter. This one also very nice. And the last voltage that I'm going to test is 2.5. Very low. I'm going to 2.5. Very nice. This IC584 is very nice and stable voltage reference. My lovely meter is 2.5, very accurate and high precision meter. The fake DT series is 2.46. The meters with the auto shutdown going to turn off the meter after a while. And this one is 2.44. It need to calibrate. It's very easy. It's possible to open and calibrate with the pot inside the meter. Very good. Thank you very much for clicking this video. I will try with more meters and try with other voltage reference and will make video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.